go have a fun summer day, huh?
Yeah. Sissy, what does the rooster say?
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. You guys, it is Wednesday. Happy Wednesday. We're headed. Where are we going? We're going to the petting zoo. We went here, Cohen and I, about a month ago for a school field trip of his, but we are meeting my sister Shelby and my niece and nephew here, and we're going to go have a fun summer day, huh?
Yeah.
Let's go see some animals.
Carson, look at this. You gotta keep your hand flat. Carson, over here.
Sissy, just put some in your hand, flat like this.
Scared.
Good job, Co.
I'm scared. I'm
Say
scared.
just do this. Good job, Coe.
Okay, ready?
Keep your hand flat.
I do it to this
Yep,
one.
feed him. He didn't get in.
He almost bited my...
Do you love this, Cokes?
Yeah.
Toto would have a barn full of all the animals if he could.
Mom, I feed it to I'm scared. I don't. I did this, feed it Mama.
Do with your fingers flat.
I did this and he didn't eat my fingers.
He didn't eat your fingers?
gosh.
Did you see his teeth?
Yeah.
He's pretty cool, huh?
Chickens. Chicken.
It'll just tickle.
Yeah, he won't bite you.
Just go nice and slow so he can reach.
Yeah, I did it.
Good job, sis.
Again. So Carson, put it onto your lid.
You feeding the sheep, Co? Oh, put some in your hand, buddy, so it's easier for him.
Yeah, I'm scared.
It's okay, he's nice. Just keep your hand nice
He
and
has
flat.
big eyes.
Feed him, he's waiting.
Here, buddy. Now let's go feed the chicken. Here's a wand.
There's a one. Hi. Oh, you are pretty. You are so pretty. You are so sweet. Hi. Let him eat it, but the turkey got your whole cup?
Yeah. The turkey grabbed it. Yeah, he grabbed the end of the cup and just...
Look how fun they are. Yeah.
Ah! Look at that rooster.
Oh yeah, that white one.
Yeah, just watch. No, he grabbed the cup and...
Oh yeah, he probably gets worried, huh? They named the two turkeys Christmas and Thanksgiving. Last name dinner. You guys are awesome. We hope you enjoy all that rain.
Crazy, dude. I'm gonna do it with my hand. No, I'm not. Okay, let's go feed someone else.
And your name's Trigger? You are so beautiful. Look at your different eyes.
I'm gonna
Oh my
feed the ostrich.
goodness. Do you see that big pig, Leo?
Hey,
Hey, you wiry dude. He has the coolest hair I've ever seen. It's cute. Did you notice his eyes? Hi, most handsome. Ma, what is it?
Sissy, what does the rooster say?
Oh, you gotta be soft, Leo,
I'm
honey.
tricking him.
Oh.
like all of
What
it.
did they say? What does the chicken say? They're so sweet, huh?
Yeah, look at these.
I want to come here tomorrow too.
You do? Mommy wants to get some chickens and goats. Should we?
Yeah.
Okay, you guys, we made it home. We had so much fun at the ranch seeing all the animals. They're adorable, and it's just awesome to get to pet them and interact with them. We came home because it's been stormy, you guys, off and on like every day. So it gets like very windy and rainy and cloudy, but we had a little bit of downtime, a little bit of rest time, and now we are trying to brave a splash pad, even though it's not super hot. It's a million times better than what we've had the last 6 months. So we're getting ready to head to a splash pad. I am so excited to use this for the first time. If you guys didn't see a vlog a couple weeks ago, I bought this at Hobby Lobby. It's like a drink holder and I haven't used it yet, but I was just pulling water bottles out so that everyone has a drink at the splash pad because everyone is always dying of thirst, huh, Cars? Yes. Every time we get in the car, it's like people have never had a drink before. So I'm starting to get everyone drinks to put them in here, and I was laughing at all these Gatorade bottles. I'm like, I'm gonna look like a football coach strolling into the splash pad.
I mean, we do play football every year, so.
You do. So it makes sense. But we're getting water bottles filled up, buddy. We got ice if you want to put some ice in there, and we'll get all of our drinks and sunscreen and towels. And Kinley is hanging upside down. You guys, she got that bar for her birthday and she spends every waking second on it. Okay, this is easy. Carrying all 6 drinks with one hand while vlogging and carrying everything else with my other hand. Drinks. Okay, you guys, this splash pad was so much fun. We were worried that it was going to be rainy and stormy, but it was actually perfect weather. Then Nana took us to get ice cream, huh?
Yeah.
That was so much fun, you guys, a little ice cream date. But now, while we're in Park City, they have the awesome outlet stores here. And Dakota is really needing new football cleats. And the ones here wanting are Adidas, and we just realized that they're having a 50% off sale right now. So we just made it over to the outlets. We're gonna run in there, grab some cleats. They have another camp coming up, huh? We can't have our toes squished and falling off like yesterday.
Hurt so bad. Like as soon as I got in the car, I hurried and unlaced my shoes and took them off.
Oh, that makes me feel bad.
I took my shoes off before I even got to the car.
That makes me feel so bad. You guys, they obviously haven't put their football cleats on since last season.
Yeah, I didn't realize how small they were.
I know, so yesterday morning when we were getting ready to leave for the camp, they both put them on, and I said, do they fit? Are they okay? Both of them said they're tight, but they're fine. So they wore them all camp, and then their toes were just killing because they were too small. So Luckily, our football cleats stay in crazy good shape because you only wear them like 2 months. And we have so many awesome sizes for Tiny, huh? Because you're playing football this year.
Yep.
And Karsh, you'll get the sick green Under Armour ones, dude. That'll match your jersey. That'll be awesome. So we're just replenishing the cycle of cleats, and I'm excited that there's a sale. Okay, well dang, that was kind of a flop. They don't have them, but we did try some cleats on to see what size you are in Adidas.
Yeah.
So not a total fail of a trip. Now we can at least order some online, huh?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Hello.
Welcome home.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hello.
Hola.
We've had an action-packed summer day.
Sounded like it. All the fun things.
All the things.
I get to go to work.
I'm ready to sleep.
Me too. I was up at 6 playing soccer and 8 last night. I love soccer.
All the soccer. All the time.
Great.
You guys, we had dinner. It was delicious.
Oh yeah, some spaghetti.
It was
some
so-
like cream in it.
It was so good. I put heavy cream, so it was like creamy and yummy. It was good. But you guys, we have just been relaxing, hanging out, watching shows. We got so much fresh air and sunshine today that we kind of just needed to
They all
like
need to
relax
chill
tonight.
a little bit. Got a little bit of attitudes going on. Not bad.
No, they've been awesome. But you guys, I am trying to get a lot of laundry done because I feel like we've been so busy since our camping trip, and we obviously had a lot of dirty clothes coming home from camping.
And
That
there's 7 of us.
I know, and we just haven't had a lot of time at home since. So I am trying to get a ton of laundry done. You can see my counter over there. I have piles and piles folded. But you guys, we have some really fun things coming up the next few days.
Oh
I
yeah.
feel like it's gonna be a fun summer. There's lots of big events and fun things that we're just super excited to document because you guys, we kind of got down the rabbit hole of our old videos tonight, and it's
So fun.
It's just priceless to have all those memories documented. It's
amazing.
It truly means everything. It's like the greatest video diary, and it's so fun. So I'm excited for everything coming up. So make sure that if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe because we have so many fun things coming, and we don't want you to miss any of it.
I love you guys.
We love you so much, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you for watching, guys.
The whole tree. They got it.